All right, whenever we have a right triangle and we're looking for a side, we have a Pavlovian response, we're doing Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem, you just have to know that formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c is that longest side, c is the hypotenuse. It's the longest side of your triangle, it's right across from that right angle. So it doesn't really matter which leg is which, but the c has to be all alone and lonely. The hypotenuse here is that x squared. So I can write 8 squared plus 6 squared equals x squared. So 64 plus 36 equals x squared. So 100 equals x squared. The last of any Pythagorean is to take the square root of both sides to undo that square. And so the square root of 100, this one we know is 10, because 10 squared is 100. You'll have a calculator as well with a little square root button. Just type in 100 square root, and that will give you it as well. So that's our answer. X is 10. We're done. A couple things to point out. Make sure you square these first. A lot of people like to just take the square root and say 8 plus 6 is x, so 14 is x, and that's not right. If we could do that, why would they bother saying a plus b squared equals c squared, right? Wouldn't they have just said a plus b equals c? It just doesn't work out that way, not a property that we can do. So make sure you square a, square b, then that together, then take the square root. That's what we're doing for Pythagorean. And that's that.